Hi, in front of me is Huawei Honor 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Connected Devices and tap on Bluetooth. Click on the switcher. Tap on Pair New Device and click on available one that you want to connect to. Tap Pair and wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!